Welcome to Body Mechanics Orthopedic Massage. This video is about using HSA and FSA for massage in our office. First, let's look at your options. Healthcare costs are a major concern for individuals and families. Unfortunately, there are various tax-advantaged savings accounts to help mitigate these expenses. HSA versus FSA. What's the difference? Health Savings Accounts, or HSA for short. An HSA is a tax-advantaged savings account for individuals covered by a high-deductible health plan. Here are some of the key characteristics of HSAs. Contributions are tax-deductible. Contributions can be made by the account holder, their employer, or both. Funds roll over yearly, allowing for long-term savings and investment opportunities. Withdrawals are tax-free when used for qualified medical expenses. HSAs can be used for various medical expenses, including doctor's visits, prescriptions, and some preventative care. Now let's talk about flexible spending accounts, or FSAs for short. An FSA is a pre-tax savings account that allows individuals to set aside money for eligible healthcare expenses. Some important features of FSAs include contributions are made pre-tax, reducing the account holder's taxable income. Funds typically must be used within the plan year with a grace period or a carryover limit determined by the employer. This often represents a use it or lose it scenario. Withdrawals are tax-free when used for qualified medical expenses. FSAs can be used for a wide range of medical expenses, but they usually don't allow for long-term savings or investment opportunities. Now, let's talk about using FSA and HSA for massage therapy services. Wellness services, such as massage therapy, often fall under the umbrella of qualified medical expenses that can be paid for using FSA and HSA funds. And it can help reduce out-of-pocket costs. Now, here's what you need to know about using HSA and FSA in our office. 1. Whichever one you're using, you should make sure that this service is an allowed expense. 2. We take the cards, but in some plans, you need to have a pre-approval to use your funds. So, check before you book. 3. Our credit card terminal is set up on the back end to accept the cards and verify us as a healthcare provider. 4. You may not be able to use your HSA or FSA card to leave a tip, as that breakdown is reflected in the transaction. 5. We recommend booking the medical massage in our booking flow to use your HSA or FSA in our office. Since you're booking for healthcare reasons, you will want that reflected on your receipt. 6. You should also ask for a full medical invoice to be created so that you have both a credit card receipt and an invoice reflecting your visit. The long and the short is, you can use both HSA or FSA in our office. Follow us or book now, www.bodymechanicsnyc.com. 2 offices in New York.